back. Today I will explain you what happens when you just arrive here in New Zealand and the customs and biosecurity. Very briefly, I don't go into detail because it's a lot of information. I'll leave the links in the description so that you can check, but I'll tell you in a brief way. Okay, first things first, you'll get a passenger arrival card when you board a flight to New Zealand. So the flight attendant will give you a very easy form. It's just yes or no form. Just fill them accordingly. Fill your passenger arrival cards on the plane itself, so that it is very easy for you to go through the customs and the biosecurity. If you are packing the luggage, pack your declared items, foods or any declared items in one main luggage or one carry-on if it's possible. So it is really easy for you, and it's saves you a lot of time at the customs and the biosecurity time. If you are not sure about any item that you are bringing, just declare and say yes. If you just entered the New Zealand, you can see the posters and there will be continuous announcements saying please discard your items that may pose risk to the country. Just discard them in the bins that you can see all around the place. Things that you are not sure about, if you have any half-eaten apple or any cheese or butter in your bag or something, just put it in the rubbish bin before you go to the customs and the biosecurity screening. Otherwise, if you don't declare the items that you're bringing to New Zealand, the instant fine will be 400 New Zealand dollars, and it may go up to 100,000 New Zealand dollars, and also they may put you in prison for 5 years, or they may even deport you from the country. So biosecurity and customs are pretty strict here, so keep that in mind and pack your bag accordingly. This is one thing that I need to tell you guys. If your parents are traveling alone, please tell them there will be this passenger arrival card form, so that they'll have an idea how to fill that form. So they'll fill before they exited the plane. You can have a glimpse of these passenger arrival cards on the internet. I'll leave the link in the description. It's very easy. Just print out one thing and tell them how to fill that form, so that it will be really easy for them to fill and go through the customs and biosecurity very easily. If they are traveling for the first time, it is very daunting and it is very stressful, even for us. So don't put them in that situation. Just inform them before, and they'll be all ready to fill the form and go through customs and security hassle free. The few things that you can't bring to New Zealand, like fresh produce like fruits and vegetables, honey products, any brie products, and you can't bring Chyawanprash, and you can't bring any form of prasad, like if it contains milk or something, so you can't bring those things. Meat products, you can't bring any insects or animals alive or dead. So these are all the things that you can't bring here. They are totally prohibited. When you just exited the plane, you'll go straight to the port of entry. Their immigration officer will ask you a few questions, check your passports, your passenger arrival card, and your visa. And depends on your visa, immigration officer will ask you few questions like what is the purpose of your visiting, where do you want to stay. One more question is like, have you got your return ticket? So these are the few questions that may incur in the port of entry, so be prepared for that. And after that, baggage claim, and there will be one big TV screen. There you can see your plane number and on which belt your luggage is gonna come. Go straight to the belt and pick all your luggage and place your luggage, like the declared items. Suitcase will be on the top, so that it is very easy for you to pull and put in front of the biosecurity officer. So that's a little hack for you there. After that, you claimed all your luggage and you go straight to the customs. The customs officer will check your passenger rail card. If you state any food or any item, they'll ask you like what kind of food do you have. So if you say, so I'm an Indian, I often get like pickles and sweets and all those things, yummy sweets from the India. The immigration officer will check and they'll send you to the customs and the biosecurity check. You'll go to the biosecurity check and the biosecurity officer will ask you what are the items that you are bringing. So you'll show them your pickles, the pickles, the chocolates, the sweets. So you can just show them, and if they are okay with what you are bringing, they'll just say okay, or else if the items that you are bringing are not good for the country, they'll just discard them right away, or they'll send it to the treatment. You'll just collect them later. If you have any connected flights, make sure you plan like at least 1 to 1.5 hours for the customs and the security. It depends totally on the season. Plan your itinerary accordingly. Customs officer will check everything and they'll say okay, you are good to go. And then at last, sometimes the detectives dogs will also be there to sniff your bags. So don't forget to declare every item that you are bringing. If you're not sure, just say yes. Okay. Clothing, footwear, jewelry and the toiletries, you don't need to declare them because those are coming under personal effects, so you don't need to declare. If you are bringing like too many, then it is better to have a purchase receipts with you. At last, the screening will happen. They'll again screen everything that you are carrying, like backpacks, handbags, wallets, your main luggage, your carry-ons and everything. So one tip right here, just count your luggage when you just claim your baggage, and after the screening will be done, just count your luggage again. If that matches your number and you have got all your luggage, just go and explore New Zealand. This is a beautiful place. I feel really fortunate to live here. So go explore the country and enjoy New Zealand. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will help you, and if it helps you, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. If you want any more videos of this kind, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.